How to log in into BBSI Payroll account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in BBSI Payroll and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on the very first one, bbsi.com, open it. With that, you will land to the official webpage of BBSI. BBSI is a leading provider of business management solutions, combining human resource outsourcing and professional management consulting to create a unique operational platform that differentiates it from competitors. Once you land to this page, click on three bars. Now click on this option of My BBSI. You will land to the login page. Now from here, you can easily log into your account. Provide your credentials. Firstly, type in your email address and then type in your password. In the case you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on the option of login. With that, you will be logged into your account. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily log into BBSI Payroll account online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.